No use prophecy collect anybody car. Olori buruku barao. Thief with Bible gun in their hand. You see one small pikin GAK. Now that time God open your eyes, say one die. So can you give the GAK? Heli. No wonder they are dying.
My people, it don't happen. Oh. As I dey talk to Nana, my people, Apostle Dr. Kasi, aka the Lion Fire, aka the old firewood Akarawo, he don't come and come expose some of all these African pastors. Wetin they do, how they take they prophesy, they pro on top of another members property. If they say the members say they get money, they get lands, they get cars, say they go dey prophesy. Say prophecy not they finish for the mouth. Say make some of African pastors, all these especially Edo State pastors, say make they stop palm, make they not they buy for another person property. My people, as I cross this video of Apostle Dr. Kasi, I was chopped on lies. He said now what they do so that they will use one or two things when they get, if na house, so if na cow, if na land, they will use and take give tithe, or they will use and take sow seed. Say make they stop am. Why they pro every day? Pro not they finish for their mouth. Say can I prophesy? May you not come be say I too talk, my people. Make una just watch the full video.
No use prophecy collect anybody car. Olori buruku barao. Thief with Bible gun in their hand. You see one small pikin GAK. Now that time God open your eyes, say one die. So can you give the GAK? Heli. No wonder they are dying like fowl. You see a man of God anointed is just died. Why? Because their eye no gree come off for where member property day. You hear say your member get two land. Prophecy no finish for your mouth for where day. You must use one to sow seed. If you don't use one to sow seed, just tell them say you need land. Thief. Onyoshi. By so doing, they have brought bad name for the good ones. I'm not saying I am perfect, but I am gifted. Be careful with who you are moving with. White teeth is not white hands. That your friend, that your brother can betray you at any time. You that don't trust yourself, you are trusting somebody. You are did you trust yourself? Ask yourself, did you trust yourself? You that did you trust you? Did you trust yourself? And you are trusting somebody. Your head correct? Your head correct? Says my friend, I trust her. You are moving with somebody in less than 3 months. All your secrets you have told the person. Oh, Jao. Tomorrow you want to cry, he betrayed me. You lay the foundation of betray. Nobody can betray me in this life. Because when I move with you, I'm already suspecting you. Yeah, you betrayed me. Oh, you shocked me. You got shocked me. I know you are desperate before. I know you are coming around me. It's not because you love me. You want to know what is working for me. Desperation. Desperation. Church again. Why? If pastor see the car, go use prophecy collect her. Desperation of pastors. God no give you motor. Manage your leg. You get one way God want make you trek. No use prophecy collect anybody car. Olori buruku barao.
My people, share una don hear everything for the horses mouth where e for dey fertilize dey beg some of African pastors say make dem leave their members for waste o, say make dem stop dey pro, say pro no dey finish for their mouth if dem see am say the members say dem get money, dem get land, dem get plot of, dem get cars, dem get house, say every day na prophecy no dey finish for their mouth. My people, as I cross this one, I go chop to lies, no be small something.